Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho Projects templates with migration checklists, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Zoho Projects templates, first, log into your Zoho Projects account. Navigate to the project for which you want to backup the template. Click on the Templates tab located in the sidebar. Choose the specific template you want to backup. Once you've selected the template, look for an option to export or download. Click on the Export option to save the template to your device. Next, create a checklist for migration to ensure nothing is overlooked. Review all elements that the template contains, such as tasks, milestones, and resources. For each element, confirm that you have the necessary information recorded. Document any dependencies or custom fields associated with the template. Ensure you note any integrations that are linked to the project. After verifying all elements, create a folder on your device for organization. Place the exported template file into this folder. Additionally, save your migration checklist in the same folder for easy access. Once everything is backed up, consider organizing your files by date and project name. This organization will make future backups easier and more efficient. Now that you have backed up your template, regularly schedule updates to this backup. Review your checklist periodically to ensure it reflects any changes made to the template. By following these steps, you will secure your Zoho Projects templates and streamline future migrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.